The biggest cause of failure in installing a floor covering is due to the presence of moisture in the subfloor. It is therefore important that you check that the subfloor onto which you are installing the Altro safety floor meets the relevant moisture requirement. In the UK, the recommended limits are that the relative humidity within the subfloor is below 75% RH, when tested using a hygrometer in accordance with 858203. If these requirements are not met, Altro produce the Ultra-Proof range of surface damp-proof membranes, which can be applied to the damp subfloor to allow you to install the floor covering. Ultra-Proof Fast Track is a two-part, one-coat epoxy-based system, which can be applied on subfloors up to 7% relative humidity. The drying time for this is 4 hours. This is what we are using in this video. Ultra-Proof Standard is a two-part single-coat epoxy-based system which can be applied onto subfloors up to 97% relative humidity. The drying time for this is 8 hours. The two-part systems must be thoroughly mixed with a drill and paddle attachment. These products can be applied directly onto a clean, smooth subfloor or a moisture-tolerant smoothing compound and be applied with a trowel or roller. Once the coating has been applied and allowed to dry, the floor can be adhered directly to the subfloor using the appropriate adhesive. Should additional subfloor preparation be required, please request the relative data sheets from Altro Floors.